In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Grok. We'll start right from the X homepage and end with your preferred language applied to the Grok experience. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where you use Grok so the settings you change are saved to that profile. If you use the mobile app, the flow looks very similar, but I'll describe it from the web view so it's easy to follow. From the X home screen, look for Grok in the side navigation and click it to open the Grok interface. Once you're there, find the More option. It's typically represented by an overflow menu and gives you access to additional controls. Click More to reveal the full list of options. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account, safety, and display preferences live. Inside that area, locate Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section controls how X looks and reads, including font sizing, contrast, and, most importantly for us, language settings. Click into it. Now open the Languages area. You'll see a description along the lines of Manage which languages are used to personalize your X experience. This page centralizes both the language you use for the app itself and the languages that influence what content you see. Go ahead and click it to continue. On the Languages page, select App and Post Languages. This is the place where you define your display language, the language used for menus, buttons, and prompts, as well as the languages you're comfortable posting or reading in. Clicking it will launch the language selector. You'll now see a list of available display languages. Scroll through the options, or use the search field if it's available, and choose the language you want Grok and the X interface to use. Take a moment to pick the one that best fits your needs. Changing this will update labels and system text, and it helps Grok present responses and suggestions in a way that aligns with your preference. After you've selected your preferred display language, click Next to confirm. This step applies your choice. The interface may refresh, and you should see the new language reflected in navigation and settings. If it doesn't update right away, a quick page refresh or app restart usually helps. That's it. You've navigated from the X homepage to Grok, open the settings, and set your app and post languages. You can return to the same menu anytime to fine-tune these preferences, especially if you use multiple languages or want to adjust how content is personalized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Grok in the language that works best for you.